In today's video, I'll show you how to create a vibrant opening where glowing neon elements light up the screen and reveal your video in a bold and romantic way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline so the glow effect feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Neon Love, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, neon style light elements glow and flicker, revealing the video underneath with a stylish and modern look. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how intense the neon glow feels. Shorter duration makes the reveal quick and punchy. Longer duration slows it down, creating a smoother and more romantic glow. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the glow matches your music or mood. And that's it. You've successfully added a neon love reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.